For you to produce 1 bucket of POP emulsion paint, POP emulsion, clean water 10 liters of water, add pigment 1/4 kg, add carbon PT 0.2 gram, mix it very well. After mixing it well, add calcium carbonate 15 kg, 15 kg calcium carbonate, mix it well. Then you add half kg of acrylic, half kg acrylic, mix it very well. Add your own thickener, put thickener 0.2 gram of thickener, then preservative 0.2 gram. That is your POP emulsion. Thank you so much. Then we now move to flex paint. Flex, 1 bucket of flex paint. 1 bucket of flex paint. First of all, get your water. Get your water, 10 liters of water. Add pigments 1/4 kg. Add carbon PT 0.2 gram. Mix it very well. After mixing it well, add calcium carbonate 25 kg. Calcium carbonate 25 kg. Mix it well. After mixing it well, add acrylic 2 kg. Mix it well. Then add your thickener 0.23 gram of thickener. Then you mix it well. When you put it, you mix it very fast so that it will not cake. Then add your preservative 0.2 gram. It may be ammonia or formalin or Acticide. That is your 1 bucket of flex paint. The difference between flex and screeding paint, direct screeding paint, is the application. There is no difference. The only difference is the application. When they are applying it, that is the only difference. So we now move to gloss paint. For you to produce 1 bucket of gloss paint, gloss oil paint, you need, what you do first, put pigments 3 kg or 2.5, but use 3 kg for more coverage. 3 kg. Add a little solvent. Make sure you use either water or toluene. Solvent, 3 kg pigment, put it inside bucket, add water half liter inside, mix it very well. Mix it very well until it turns to a milky state. Mix it very well. After mixing it very well and you touch it, is flexible, there is no stone inside. Add your own resin, acid resin, either light or thick, 10 kg. Then mix it very well until it finally turn to paint. Mix it very well. After mixing it very well, you add your dryer, 1/4 kg, 0.25 dryer. Then add petrol 4 liters, kerosene 4 liters. Mix it well. Mix it well. Then finally you put anti-skin. Add anti-skin 0.2 gram of anti-skin. You mix it well. That is your 1 bucket of oil paint, gloss paint. The anti-skin is just when your paint is exposed, maybe it's in the bucket and the cover does not cover the bucket or well, or there is any linkage. Once you leave it down, maybe you don't know, is for it not to dry, to have outer coat, for the surface of the paint to have a freshening surface, for the surface not to dry, to form like a nylon on top. That is the work of anti-skin. it refreshing the surface. It doesn't allow the surface to dry, to form like outer nylon, outer coat nylon. That is it. Then we move to Gravitas paint. For you to produce 1 bucket of Gravitas paint, first of all, put 4 liters of water, add your own pigment 1 kg, add Calgon PT 0.2 gram, mix it very well. After mixing it very well, add calcium carbonate 5 kg, mix it thoroughly. After mixing it well, add marble dust, smooth, if possible dust, smooth marble dust 25 kg, mix it very well, then add acrylic 2 kg, mix it very well. After mixing it very well, add A1 stone or number 1 stone 2 kg for 1 bucket, 2 kg, mix it well. Add your thickener 0.23 gram, 0.23 gram of thickener, mix it fast so that it will not block. Then the last, you add your preservative. That is your 1 bucket of Gravitas paint. Don't forget 4 liters of water, 1 kg pigment, Calgon PT 0.2 gram, you mix it. Add 5 kg calcium carbonate, mix it very well. Add your own marble dust, smooth 25 kg, mix it very well. Add your number 1 stone or A1 stone 2 kg, you add acrylic 2 kg, you mix it well. After that, add your thickener 0.23 gram of thickener, mix it fast. Then you preserve it with ammonia or formalin or articide 0.2 gram. That is your 1 bucket of Gravitas paint. Again, we move to marble trowel. For you to produce 1 bucket of marble trowel, now you get 25 kg marble dust, sharp one, 25 kg marble dust. First of all, marble trowel it comprises different colors, either 2 or 3. Then divide that marble dust 25 kg into 2 or 3. Then use acrylic, a little acrylic like quarter, then add a little water inside of it, like quarter liter of water,